Hi there everyone, my name is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar, and welcome back to another video out here in the Met Shack. It's very early out here on a Sunday morning and it's not very warm. You can see my breath coming out, but however, what can you do? It is what it is. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a balanced to unbalanced cable. You might remember before we made a balanced to balanced cable, so I've cheated slightly. And I have that cable and I've removed one of the plugs from it, so I'm going to show you how to fit our tip sleeve or mono jack plug to that cable and how to unbalance it. I'm going to put a link in the description of this video to some information from the Rain website, which kind of discusses all the different types of balanced to unbalanced connections, and we'll give you a little bit more insight as to what it's all about. In an ideal world you should be using a transformer to do this, but you know, not everybody has those lying around the place, so this is another way of doing it. I've done it quite a lot and it works very, very well. So stick with me and we'll get into it here on the bench. Right, so here we go with the balanced to unbalanced connector. So we have the cable that we made the last day, and I have one of the plugs removed. So you can see there's our three wires: white audio plus, blue audio minus, and then the focus, the shield is the sleeve. So basically how we're going to unbalance this is we're going to tie the audio minus and the shield together, which is the blue wire and the braid. Right, so we're going to tie the blue wire and the shield together before we go any further. So that's what you should end up with. You have the two of them soldered together like that. Right, so same story as before. There's our mono or tip sleeve plug, and same as the others. So just going to unscrew that. That comes off. We have our little plastic sleeve to protect the wires, and we have the little strainer leaf spring. So we'll set those to one side. So I'll just move the camera so you can see better what's going on here. Okay, so just move the camera slightly for you there. As before, we're going to put some solder. For the ground connection. Sometimes it takes a while for these to flow. It's a nice little puddle of solder. Put a fresh bit on for the pin. So we'll connect the ground first and the audio minus. That's that. Then we connect that. So you have your audio plus to the tip, you have your audio minus and your braid connected to the ground. So we can push on our little plastic sleeve, which prevents anything shorting out, and then we can screw on the barrel. Right, so there's our finished lead. We have the mono plug on one end, and we have the tip ring sleeve on the other end. So that's how you unbalance the cable. And whenever you're unbalancing a cable coming from a balanced source, you'll see on some websites they say to you to short the two pins here for this for the ring and the sleeve. According to the Rain documentation, which I trust a bit more, the unbalancing part of it should always be made at the end of the cable that's furthest away from the balanced device. So i.e. wherever this is plugging into, it should be unbalanced here. Join us the next time and we'll be back with another project. Hope you picked that up fairly handy. If you have any questions or anything you want to know, you can leave a comment down there in the below in the comments section. So it'd be great to hear from you. So join us next time. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar 73, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.